Hello and welcome to CryptoWeeklies. My name is Josh, and today we are going to talk about Render, which is a distributed GPU related play. This particular crypto has gained some traction over the last year or so. You can see the market cap has increased since September of 2023 from at around in terms of market cap over here, market cap at around 500 million market cap in September to about 5 billion, so almost a 10x over the course of 8 to 9 months. And in terms of its tokenomics, currently the crypto render that is at around 25th by market cap, and market cap is slightly under 4 billion. The circulating supply is at around 73% of max supply. The max supply is at around 536 million, circulating supply at around 400, slightly under 400 million. So again, in terms of price versus market cap analysis, you can see over the last year or so, if you toggle between market cap, where the market cap growth has been at around 10x between 5 at one point under 500 million to at one point at around 5 billion market cap, so about a 10x in terms of price. Also you can see a similar change from slightly around $1 to slightly above $10. So this is again a 10x growth in terms of its price as well. So that means that the impact of inflation, token inflation, has not been that great. And also one narrative related to render is render network has migrated to Solana blockchain core infrastructure from Ether to Solana. This has happened sometime in late 2023. So today we'll be conducting an AI-based forecast. This is our website built for the community. We develop our own AI algorithms, machine learning based algorithms, that is to forecast price action uh, for several cryptos. We also have our regression based analysis for these cryptos. First, we'll start with the forecast. This model we had trained back in late February 2024 when the price of render was at around $7. Today the price is at around $10. So back then with that data we had forecasted that the base case scenario for render, now that we are in third week of May, is at around $10.40. And what do you know? Now that the price is fairly close to what we had forecasted back around 2.5 months ago. Uh, so this is again the power of AI. It might be right at times. It might be wrong based on the phases of the market. Now that crypto is in the sideways territory, the base case forecasts are more likely to be true than the bull case. So here, if crypto were in bull case scenario, render's price would be somewhere between 19 and $20. But again, you can only be right in either of these three scenarios. Either the market will be bullish, bearish, or neutral. The key idea is with these AI-based forecasts is not to tell what will happen to the price tomorrow, but if there is a bull case, if there is a bear case, if there is a base case or sideways case, what are the theoretical ceilings and floors? So again, with this particular crypto, I can certainly give my model a pat on its back. But again, if you have been following this channel, you might know that this is not always true, that the price at least months into the future is not that accurate. So this is again our model with 70% accuracy uh, at around the ongoing forecast for render between $10.40 to about $11.50. This is the base case. If crypto were to come back into a bullish phase, the bull case ceiling for render at one standard deviation confidence or 70% confidence is between $19 and $26 till end of July. If there were any pullbacks, the bear case ceiling or the bear case floor for render is between $4.50 and $5.50 per our AI model. So this is our AI-based approach for forecasting crypto price action. What is also important is the heat band, which is a polynomial regression-based analysis for a crypto. This is the base function is the line in pink. I will get rid of the other standard deviation bands. So now this is the chart that you're seeing on the screen is the weekly price action for render in white and our polynomial base case function in pink. So this base case function is wrapped around the price action in such a way that it cuts the bullish phases and bearish phases in half and provides us with the fair value for a crypto. Right now, per our analysis, the polynomial regression analysis, this is again not financial advice. For render, the polynomial function says that the fair value is at around $20, which is again 50%. The price is currently 50% of the fair value. That is, if there were a rally back to its fair value, with this function intact, a render would be at twice of its price of today. But you can see that there are phases where this polynomial function is in uptrend and phases where it is in downtrend or sideways and again back in its uptrend. If you were to wrap one standard deviation bands to upside and downside, you can see that currently the price is very close to the one standard deviation bottom, slightly below it. The one standard deviation bottom is at around $10.91. The price is at $10.20. If the crypto were to go back to its one standard deviation peaks, the one standard deviation peak at this point is at $30, which is again at 70% of the price action would be between these two bands, 30% outside these two bands, sometimes to the downside, sometimes to the upside. If you were to wrap another set of bands, that is two standard deviation bands, this takes care about 95% of the price action. You can see only a slight deviation below over here and slight deviation to the upside over here. So a two standard deviation peak for render at this point in time is at around $72, whereas two standard deviation floor is at around five and a half, slightly over $5.50. And that $5.50 coincides with our bear case scenario for render as well. And if there were even wider a pullback for crypto market, and if those pullbacks are to be faced by render, then at this point in time, the theoretical floor with 99% confidence for render is at around $3.10. So this is our regression analysis for render. This approach helps us determine if the crypto is overvalued, undervalued, what are some of the key levels to understand the price action based on its historical price action. So I'll just pause this video right now, or pause my screen right now for you to take note of the key levels. Hope you like this content. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. Also give this video a like and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.